Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. This week's product of the week is going to be hydrometers. But before we go into hydrometers and the product of the week offer, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can see all the other videos and all the other products of the week we're going to do throughout the year. So, products of the week, hydrometers. We've got two various different types of hydrometer. Back to me a second, James. We have got hydrometers for measuring the amount of sugar, and we've got hydrometers for measuring the amount of alcohol in spirits. And we're doing a special offer on all our range of hydrometers this week, where we're giving you 25% off. So up until Sunday the 19th at midnight, you can use the code POTW, and I'll put the code down on the screen somewhere, and you can use that to get 25% off hydrometers. Very, very useful pieces of equipment, especially if you want to work out how much alcohol you're going to have in your finished beer, wine, lager, cider. Then you'll need a standard beer and wine hydrometer. That measures how much sugar, and then you measure at the end, see how much sugar's left. And I'll put a link somewhere down in the comments to our videos on how to use hydrometers, which will be probably very, very useful for you. But for now, hydrometers, very, very useful. Check them out and get 25% off this week using code POTW. Cheers and happy brewing!